Good day, philosophers. I am Ramir Eduava Menepel, and welcome to my initial Privatissimum. The title of my thesis paper is that the moral coherence of miracles, and my chosen saint is no other than Saint Pedro Calungsod, and my philosopher is C.S. Lewis. So let us proceed. My thesis states that miracles possess moral goodness because they maintain natural harmony. The study of miracle begins when the question of whether exceptional occurrences can exist without ending natural human reasoning. So my supporting points are these. First, miracles do not violate natural laws but introduce a higher causal action. The first argument for miracles events demonstrate that natural laws function as a descriptive rules which do not limit their application to scientific principles. My second supporting point is that divine causation operates beyond the limits of natural causation. The second argument supporting the possibility of miracles depends on the philosophical distinction between natural causation and transcendent causation. For my third supporting point, miracles function as a meaningful signs of divine revelation. Miracles acts as sign, which reveals deeper metaphysical truths. There is a belief among religious groups that miracles are not just extraordinary events that astound those who witness them. The events acts as a sign which reveals that God exists and works. So these are my objections. The following are the three. First is that miracle threatens the occurrences of scientific explanation. So why? Miracles are impossible because they would violate and establish the laws of nature in a bad way. Because natural law describe the consistent patterns that govern physical events in the universe and appear to operate without exemption. If a miracle were to occur, critics claim that it would contradict these regular patterns. Second is that it rely primarily on the unreliable human testimony. Miracles claim cannot be rationally verified because they rely primarily on unreliable human testimony. Because miracles claims describes extraordinary events that require stronger evidence than ordinary occurrences without sufficient empirical verification. Skeptics argues that belief in miracles cannot be justified. And for my third objection is that God intervenes selectively in human affairs. If God performed miracles in certain situations while allowing suffering to continue elsewhere, this raises a question about divine justice and goodness. Such a selective intervention may appear inconsistent with the idea of perfectly loving and fairly deity. Critics therefore argue that miracle claims conflict with traditional theological conception of God. So since this is just my initial privatissimum, let us proceed on my conclusion. So my conclusion states that miracles is not necessarily irrational when considered within the theistic metaphysical framework. Miracles therefore be understood as a meaningful signs of divine action rather than contradiction of the natural order. So that's for today and for my initial privatissimum, and see you to my final presentation of my philosophy of religion, my privatissimum. Thank you and good day.